Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we will talk about Spectrum cable box will not turn on. How to fix Spectrum cable box that won't turn on. Number 1. Check power connections. Ensure the cable box is properly connected to power. Verify that the power cord is securely connected to both the cable box and the electrical outlet. If the box is connected to a power strip, ensure the strip is turned on and functioning. Test the outlet with another device to confirm it's providing power. Consider plugging the cable box directly into a wall outlet to rule out issues with the power strip. Number 2. Inspect the power cord. Check for damage or wear. Examine the power cord for any visible signs of wear, fraying or other damage. If the cord is damaged, contact Spectrum for a replacement and discontinue use immediately. Number 3. Perform a power cycle. Restart the cable box. Unplug the cable box from the power source. Wait for at least 60 seconds. Plug it back in and press the power button directly on the cable box to turn it on. Check for any lights or indicators on the front panel. Number 4. Check for overheating. Ensure proper ventilation. Place the cable box in a well-ventilated area. Remove any obstructions around the device and avoid stacking other electronics on top of it. If the box feels warm, allow it to cool down before trying to turn it on again. Number 5. Reset the cable box. Perform a manual or button reset. Locate the reset button on the cable box, often a small recessed button labeled reset. Using a pointed object like a paper clip, press and hold the reset button for about 10 seconds, then release. If your box lacks a reset button, unplug it from power, wait 60 seconds and plug it back in. Allow the box a few minutes to reboot. Number 6. Verify remote control functionality. Rule out remote issues. Ensure the remote control has fresh, properly installed batteries. Try pressing the power button directly on the cable box instead of the remote. If the box responds manually but not to the remote, replace the remote's batteries or reprogram it if necessary. Contact Spectrum support. Seek professional assistance. If none of the above steps resolve the issue, contact Spectrum support via the Spectrum Support Center. Provide detailed information about the problem and the troubleshooting steps you have attempted. Spectrum support may send a refresh signal, provide additional guidance, or schedule a technician visit if needed. Thanks for watching.